What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about you starting your YouTube channel in 2022. What's up everybody, my name is Rob G and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and information and hopefully inspiration to start your YouTube channel in 2022. In this video we're going to be talking about you starting your YouTube channel. You decided, hey, 2022 is the year that I want to start my YouTube channel. You've been telling all your friends that you want to start a YouTube channel, but your friends are not really into the YouTube game and you don't really know what it actually takes to create a YouTube channel or to even start creating content. I can honestly tell you this, that I don't know anybody that actually creates content like that, or anybody that I know that actually has a YouTube channel. So with that said, most of the people don't even have the concept of what it takes to actually create a YouTube channel. Well, in this video, I'm going to be going over some of the things that you can probably look forward to and some of the things that's actually going to happen on your YouTube journey here. So some of the things that I'm going to be talking about in this video is consistency with creating your content. If you're just coming on the platform, then you probably don't have no idea of what it takes to actually start creating content here on YouTube. It takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of dedication, and it takes a lot of your time. If this is something that you are willing to actually give YouTube, then this is probably the right place for you. So when you start creating your content, you just don't really know exactly what to do. We all have an idea of what we're going to do, but when we start on YouTube, we really don't have no concept of what we're doing here. When I first started my channel years ago, I didn't have no concept of what YouTube was actually about. Back then, it was a little different than it is now. Now I feel that it's a lot harder to actually gain any kind of traction here on YouTube. So if you're not in it for the long haul, then this is probably not the right platform for you. But if this is something that you truly want, then YouTube is definitely for you. So one of the things that I think that is very important when you're coming on YouTube is to actually know what it is that you want to do here on YouTube. I want to have to say that you definitely have to do the research before you even start here on YouTube. This is probably one of the most important things that people do not do when they start a YouTube channel, is do a lot of research on what it actually takes to create a channel and to actually start creating content and be successful here on YouTube. There's so much great content out here with a lot of information that sometimes we can't grasp everything that we listen to and that we hear, because you're going to get a lot of different opinions from a lot of different people. So depending on what it is that you want to do, some of this stuff may not even help you. So find out exactly what you want to do and build your channel around that. And once I think that you find that and you find it, what it is that you actually want to do, then I think things will be a little easier. If I would have known that when I first started, I think things probably would have been a little easier for me when I started here on YouTube. But 2022 is definitely the perfect year to start, because there's so many people coming on the platform that is just so much going on here on YouTube right now. So find out exactly what it is that you want to do and build your channel on that. And hopefully things will be okay, and hopefully things will be a little easier for you. Some of the things that I want to actually point out to you as a new creator here on YouTube is that things are not always what they seem to be. I know you see a lot of YouTube videos and you hear a lot of people about YouTube videos that the content creators here on YouTube, they're making tons of money, they're making millions of dollars. And that's the fact that there are some people here that are doing that. They make livings here on YouTube, they're making millions of dollars, and they're very successful here on YouTube. But in order for you to kind of reach that status, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of work, and it takes a lot of knowledge for you to actually reach that status. If this is something that you have, then you might actually have a chance at it. But it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of dedication. Creating videos, there's nothing easy about creating videos. If you know anybody who creates videos, then they can actually tell you that. There's nothing easy about creating videos. Content is something that you have to come up with constantly on a daily basis. You have to be creative, and you have to put a lot of effort into your videos. And if this is something that you want to do, then it's okay. Then you're probably going to do fine with it. But some people that come on the platform, they don't really understand this and the concept of what YouTube is and what they have to do to actually get their videos pushed out by the algorithm. They don't really have no concept. And it's always a learning curve. They always changing the platform, and they always want to revolve, and they always want you to do better. They actually want you to do better. So they give you all the tools for you to actually do this. So if this is something that you want to do, then you'll learn it. But not everybody can learn it, because some people don't have the patience. And YouTube is, how can I say this? YouTube is a long journey. I'm not saying anything in this video to discourage you from creating a channel. I'm going to give you the honest truth about YouTube. YouTube is not easy at all. There's going to be some days that you want to probably give up on YouTube. You no longer want to give all your time and effort into something that you don't see nothing for. But that's just the way YouTube is. YouTube is not, there's no guarantee here on YouTube is what I'm really trying to say. There's no guarantee here on YouTube. If you have a plan, I want to have to say, if you have a plan when you come here on YouTube and you've been doing your research, then you probably got a good chance, because it takes a lot. It takes a lot of knowledge, and it takes a lot of know-how to actually make an impact here on YouTube, especially today. With so many people coming onto the platform, it's hard to actually make an impact. But it can be done. It's done all the time, but it's not easy. You know, there's days that, you may not have a creative thought to create any kind of videos. There may be days that you decide, hey, I don't want to do anything today. Or there may be days that you say, hey, I've tried everything on YouTube here, but I'm just not getting anywhere. You tell all your friends that you want to create a channel, right? You're bragging to your friends you want to create a channel. They have no idea what it is for you to create a channel. They know YouTube have videos, but they have no idea what it takes to do that, right? So you get all your stuff together and you decide, hey, today is the day that I'm going to start and I'm going to create my channel.